Mr. Nasir Hussain is with me. Mr. Nasir Hussain, we are seeing that the opposition is still adamant. You are one of the suspended MPs. You are still saying that you're not going to apologize. What is the way ahead?
See, there's no question of apologizing because you are being suspended for what they claim that what you have done in the last session, for which nobody can be punished in this session. They can only be punished in that session in which you, for whatever reason, they punish you. But the point here is, what are the reasons? We have been giving notices, we have been asking questions, we have been asking the government to initiate discussion on various issues which concern the people of this country. Now they, without giving you a chance to defend yourself, without telling you what you have done, without informing you what are your charges, they suspend you from the parliament. This is dictatorial, this is authoritarian, and now they have to revoke it unconditionally. There's no question of asking any apology from the government.
But we are hearing that there is going to be two strategies of the opposition, one for the Rajya Sabha, one for the Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, it will be business as usual. You'll be asking for debates and discussion on pressing issues, whereas Rajya Sabha is concerned, you guys will be going on a complete aggressive mode and suspending and disruptions till the time your demands are not met.
See, this issue concerns the Rajya Sabha. This issue concerns the MPs of Rajya Sabha. And the incident also happened in Rajya Sabha. That is one point. Second, Indian National Congress, led by Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, has always said that we want discussion. We are for the business of the House. We want the House to run so that the important bills can be taken up. And the money that the people of this country are spending on the parliament should be utilized in a proper way. We want discussion. Even in the last session, we were asking for discussion. That is there on record, and that has been asked according to the rule of the House. So even now we say that the House should run. But at the same time, the suspension should be revoked because you cannot put 12 elected MPs outside the parliament and say that we'll discuss now. That is not done. Say yesterday, price rise thing came up. Don't you think that we want to speak on price rise? Yesterday, Nagaland thing came up. Don't you think we need to or we want to speak on the issue of Nagaland? That concerns the innocent people of our country. So we are for discussion. We want the House to run. We want the business as usual to be there in Rajya Sabha. But at the same time, the suspension should be revoked.
So, what all is expected in the important, crucial meeting of the opposition, which is going to take place today itself?
See, every day, in an agitation, in a protest, you will have strategy for every day. So every day, more or less every day we are meeting. We have strategy for the day. And since the government is not hearing, since the government is completely in a dictatorial mode, we need to escalate.
Well, what will be the mode of escalation?
That we will discuss in the meetings.
Well, it is the opposition on the offence now. They are saying that we'll go all out, we'll be in an aggressive mode from today onwards. That was Mr. Nasir Hussain speaking to us with the journalist Ajay. This is Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today in Delhi.